Select the incorrect statement from the given options. Option A, FSH stimulates Sertoli cells which help in spermiogenesis. This statement is true. The FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, act on the Sertoli cells in the testis which support the process of spermiogenesis, that is a maturation of sperm. So this is a correct statement which makes option A an incorrect answer. Option B, LH triggers ovulation in ovary. This statement is also true. The luteinizing hormone LH plays a crucial role in triggering ovulation, that is a release of mature egg from the ovary. So option B is also an incorrect answer. Option C, LH and FSH decrease gradually during the follicular phase. This statement is incorrect. During the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle, both LH and FSH are actually increasing due to the growing ovarian follicles. The LH and FSH are at their highest level just before ovulation, triggering the release of egg. So that means option C is the correct answer. Option D, LH triggers the secretion of androgens from the Leydig cells. This statement is also true. The LH hormone stimulates the Leydig cells to secrete testosterone, that is an androgen, which is important for spermatogenesis. So option D is also a true statement, which make option D an incorrect answer. The correct answer is option C.